Alright, chat. My account's being migrated, so I can't look at real charts, I don't think. I guess I could also try Trading View. I haven't really done that. I haven't really maybe I could do my scan and then look on Trading View. And then I also need to use my trade ideas the way I should be using my trade ideas. I use it in the morning, and I need to stream it, but I don't think I use it enough. Super powerful tool, and we gotta be using it more. Like, earnings season is done. Maybe I could do an earnings scan. I can go through my trades, and then we can go through a couple IB scans, and then we can I had a list of trade ideas scans. I wanted to make rid of that sticky. I got rid of that sticky, dang it. But I will do that. Can't really log into my account yet though, because it's being migrated. Yeah, they could send you like, oh, happy birthday, here's your new iCloud, but nope. Pay us more money so we'll keep your data hostage until you pay us more money. Thanks for confirming. Thanks for confirming. Get my YouTube shut down because I'm listening to this, but the only music that like I listen to keep my sanity. Let's put up TradesViz. Then we'll go through the trades. And then we'll do some scans. We'll do a 13 week Momo scan. Maybe we'll look at highs and lows. And then we'll maybe look at earnings. Who's up since earnings, because earnings is kind of done now. We'll do those 3 scans, make a watch list. And then I think that's it, because I don't really have an account right now, so but let's go ahead and look at the trades. Looking at my arm on stream, that's pretty cool. I got different hair. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, what are we doing? I'm kind of out of it, to be honest. We'll figure it out. We'll get it going. So let's last 7 days we got it. So it was positive, not by much, but we'll keep it running. We'll keep it going. See, didn't trade enough. See, that's what I'm always saying too. Like, you got to get 15 trades. You got to get 15 trades. Like, you know, when you're down or it's low, like, part of that's you didn't trade enough. Like, these aren't even like a lot. Like, if we can look at the charts and kind of see, like, this one could have been better, but this one only got up to like $100 and then the market just started doing its own thing. Yeah, I think like 75 or 80 bucks was like the most this ever was. I was trying to push it to 100, that's why I didn't take it off when it was like that level, but I did take the trade though, so it's like anytime things set up, you have to take them. So this was a swing idea. I think it was off. Was it off the daily? Yeah, it was a daily. It was a simpler trade. Where's my simpler thing? Where'd it go? Where are my tags? Where are my tags all reset? Everything but the comma. There we go. And they're kind of here now. I don't know what's going on with that. Yeah, I only wrote it to here. That was it. I'm being kind of weird. I'm looking at my arms. Let's move on. Like, why aren't I switching? You know, like, still don't really know why I don't do that. It really was at the end of that move. I didn't record the risk. And if it was that, it was probably 25%, but... You know, go long, you know? Well, we gotta do like end of day today. I don't think I would have sat through this. So the 6th was a Monday. A big pullback right here. What time was that? I mean, I stayed through the chop and I got out in different little areas, but just brought it all back down to here, and then it finally went. Like, how can you see that? You know? I don't know. This is a good trade. Huh. It came back on me though. It went up and then it came down. So this was Tuesday. Yeah, I need to record these too. Like, it'd be nice to have the... Oh, okay, cool. I might have to look at these charts. I like the way they look in like TradesViz. Yeah. And this was selling off, wasn't it? Yikes. Look how it's playing in this range, though. And it's playing in this low. Huh. There it goes. This is where you should have bought. I should have added more here. Yeah, I'd have to see what IWM was doing. You kind of need them both on the same chart. I'd like to see what it looked like. Like, I don't really remember. It just tanked at the end. I think this was like before like economic data or something, like that's why it did that. And I enter when it's choppy, I know that, like around the 9 a.m. mark, it's always going to be choppy. They're just really small amounts. I mean, I guess they add up, but they pay the bills, does it? What happened here? Oh, it's just in a range. Back down and it came up too. This is the next day, I think. No, it just came down and went back up again. Let's see, chat. What's going on? I don't know here. I'm at a loss. Post trading was kind of weird. It was like it went through the whole circle. Yeah, it didn't get as high. I remember this one. Alright, bullish. Continuation. Hi, Goober. Goober's in the room, everybody. Goobus is in the room. Goobus is here. Goobus. I like that it shows the volume. Well, since I have to pay for data, I was wondering if I could just pay for this data and then... I know I don't know how to do... I wouldn't know how to execute my trades. Desktop app. And then you have volume profile here, like... Maybe I'll try it tomorrow. We'll build the watch list off of this. I don't know. Maybe I'll load this in the morning and just see what it's all about. I got out too soon on this one. Hmm. Now, one thing I'm going to try is trying to do longer time frames. So I want to trade more things on the hour and the day versus the 5 minute. Is that it? That's it, I guess. It didn't trade enough. I would say that we're still short like 4 trades. We need to trade more. I'm trying to trade things on the small size Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday go full size and small size on Fridays. I think we're gonna stick to that. Alright, I'll let that sit for a minute and marinate for a moment. Find a sign. Yeah, look at that. I don't get it. It was that United thing I took off. I just have not been able to recover from this. What the fuck day was that? Oh, this was this trade. Yeah. Maybe I should trade more stock. I think that's when I took off my Boeing trade. Yeah, prioritize stock. Oh, the win-loss isn't even, it's just that the one win was bigger than the rest of the losses. Interesting. Oh, I kind of feel like I need to let this sit for a minute and marinate on it a little bit. So I'll run some scans and look at, we'll take a look at the charts on TradingView here. Build ourselves a little watch list. Well, that's cool. Yeah, I start a 30-day trial to add the watch list. So I might have to just write it in my journal then. Alright, let's get into Interactive Brokers here. Actually, let's do trade ideas first, and then so let's pull up have our little earnings one. Earnings. Let's see, configure. You can't see what I'm seeing. Let's see the settings. 1 to 500 is too much. We'll do 150. To do $5. 5 to 150. Let's do big volume. I'll do 2.5%. Trading lots and lots of shares. Okay. And then we also need to configure the time frame. We want to do it from last week sometime. Alright, now we can move it all up here. Oh. I need that. Well, that got rid of everything. Well, let's load that again. I just bring it up now. Why are there so many docked windows? It's weird. Set that again. 5, 2. Let's go to 250. Time frame. Oh. Since earnings, it's been up. Let's see, Sweet Green. Is this that restaurant? Yeah, it's a restaurant. Salad restaurant. By price. Yeah, TSM. Oh. And down here at 127. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Celsius. Oh, I could look on TradingView too. Let's pull up those. Go. There we go. So we want to look at TSM. I like the volume profile on TradingView. Maybe I'll watch some videos on TradingView and like how to use it. I like the charts. I do like the charts. So the next question is, how would we get like, okay, those are just indicator templates. How, you probably have to pay for it, but like seeing like a multi-window of like the hour, I'd like to see the hour and the daily together. So how would we can compare it to a symbol. I like that. That makes it really easy. Oh wow, yeah. Huh. SMH is kind of in a downtrend. Anyways, then how do I get rid of it? Just get, okay, click it like that. Okay. I mean, would they let me just like look at two charts at the same time? How do you do that? How do you object data window oh. So these are indicator templates. Indicators, alerts. It has to go from here, I think. Like, it's that gap. The gap's kind of its own thing. God, this is a weird chart. To me, this doesn't seem like a trend. It seems like we're double topping. It's more like we're trying to send it up here as much as we can, and then like there's no real, like, look how steep these are. Like, I mean, yeah, there's kind of something from like down here to here, but you got this where the wild things are character. You can put like little smiley faces in here. Like, where's the little eyeballs? Where's some eyeballs? Can I freehand some eyeballs? This looks like a scary monster. Can I paint? I want to paint something. There's an eyeball. There's an eyeball. And then you could kind of do this. You can't see it. Let me put it up here. There's my chart pattern. Look at this thing. This has got to be what, a Head and Shoulders pattern that broke. Like, what is this pattern? Like, there's no. To me, there's nothing here. I mean, yeah, there's an uptrend. But like, so yeah, there's an uptrend, but it's right here. This is where it ends. Everything else is like nonsense. Like, here's the trend, and now it's nonsense. Like, that's, you can't trade this. You can't trade this till it comes back to 68. That's what I think. I think right now this is all nonsense. And then maybe when it gets back to here, maybe you just keep this line sort of following this or something, and then when it comes back, or when it breaks this finally, like, it needs to come back down here. Anyway, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, that's my chart pattern. Technical technical analysis on that one. Let's look at ARM. I mean, this is a little more normalized. It filled that gap, so that's good. Everything's so steep, and all these charts are like, things just explode to one side or the other. Like, how do you chart that? You can't chart that. Oh yeah, I'm having a hard time with these ones. I mean, they're earnings winners though. Like, if they won during earnings, downgraded. None of these are Hilton. Maybe Hilton would make me excited. Let's look at it on TradingView. You know, the thing, like, I thought like the airlines would recover. It wasn't the airlines, it was the hotels. It's the hotels that recovered. Yeah, hotels recovered so much better from the Rona. I just really missed this hotel thing because I saw it and I thought about it. Oh, it hit just before 2019. Damn. And it just exploded. And $40. $40 at the end of the run. You could have had this for $40 frickin' dollars. Man, that was a once in a lifetime opportunity. And then ever since November, just exploded. They do have earnings though. Earnings are coming up. Which, this shouldn't be the scan. I still need to work on the scan, I guess. Let me try my other one. Yeah, SOXL. I always forget about SOXL. This one looks a little different. Let's see. What does this company do? Supply chain solutions. Let's look at it on TradingView. Nope. Next earnings date's in July. Okay. What happened here? Sold. It says support. The top of its range right now, though. How's this one been doing? This one was kind of in a downtrend. GSK. Go. I want to look at it this 1 year, 1 day. The year chart. It could be coming out of a downtrend. Mining. It's been up since earnings, though. Maybe that's on the list. Newmont. This thing's a monster. I don't get this. We'll look at it in a second. Yes, this one. Okay. What gets in the way of this one? Like, why isn't this more popular? The only reason I'm somewhat interested in it too is like every time I drive by this place, the line. I don't know if the line is a symbol of like inefficiency or if it's a symbol that like it's like in and out. It's like super popular. I'm not sure. I've never actually tried their coffee. I kind of want to try their coffee. They make all kinds of coffees and drinks. But the line is always so long. That's the only reason I'm kind of like intrigued by it. This one's like designer clothes. It's probably utility. Bank of America. That could be interesting, maybe. See what it looks like. Then we'll move on to 13. I'm not seeing anything that I'm like, other than it has momentum from. This is still on a freaking downtrend. Like, let's get with it, people. Like, what's this line on? Oh, I'm comparing it to Bank of America. I don't want it. It's trying. It's trying. And this dipped even, it came down to here. Wow. Oh, it's a 50. Ah. So 20 more bucks to go. Okay. A bit of a slow mover, but it is a financial that has been performing well. Let me get my koi fin and then I can do some 13-week scans. And then I think I need to see if I can get my trade ideas. Like, I need to set up a screen where it has the 13-week highs and lows, 52-week highs and lows, the earnings. Like, so when I load it, all I see, all the things I need to see, maybe even sector performance. So sector performance. I might do that too. So we want like, I don't know, last 3 months or something like that. Doesn't really matter. So XLU, XLE, same ones, XLB, XLI. Let's bring it up here so you can see it. Get rid of this. XLU, XLE, XLB, XLI, XLF, XLP. Really defensive. On the year, XLC, which is Google, Meta, XLK, XLF, XLPs, everything's up. So that's also something to think about too on the year. Like, nothing is really year to date. Right, let's log into interactive work. And then maybe, yeah. So And TLT. Yikes. Alright, let's do... Not much there. XLE, go to energy. So A, the first on the list is ARRY. This is a better chart. I mean, this is a better chart. I mean, it's right on the trend line. However you want to kind of draw it here. SLB, I think. This is a day time frame. I think this is definitely, I think this made the list. Let's go to Oxy. Okay. I don't really know what to do with Oxy. And we have Halliburton, and let's look at those two. Holy. That ain't right. Wait, what is this? Oops. Maybe Halliburton. They have kind of the same chart as... Interesting. Okay, Halliburton and Schlumberger. Those are interesting to me. What was the next one to look at? XL... What the hell is in materials? What in the hell is in there? Basic materials, what? Uranium. Mosaic. United States Steel. Which isn't that being purchased by the Japanese? I don't know, that doesn't get me super excited. XLF. JP should be in here. JP Morgan. That thing's going to the sky. Sort it by volume. SoFi. SoFi has a ton of volume. Man, this thing, that chart looks terrible. I don't want to trade that chart. There we go. Coinbase. Upstart. Don't like any of these. Coin is like really weird to trade. I didn't like trading coin. So what's another one I can look at? XLI. Industrials. Search. So slow on the volume sorting. CNHI. What the hell do you do with this? These charts, I don't know. This is, I don't know, just a short on this all day long. Oh. I don't know. I can't make heads or tails of these. I think the only two I came up with is Schlumberger and Halliburton. The only two I came away with that like make any sense to me. I could try XLC. The top one on the list is no. Shop was like really bad on earnings. These charts go straight up like this. Is like, how do you deal with this? You know, like, it's like all over the place. Ugh. What a pile. What a pile. Like, I don't know, these scans are making me happy today. Not really finding anything super exciting. Other than maybe, like, you could even add XLE on there. You could trade XLF and XLE, everything else is like low liquidity. Everything else is kind of terrible to trade. Maybe we could do like Ulicon? Start with this one over here. Amazon, good old Amazon. Yeah, we know that. Oh, Snapchat. That's a good like day trade option. Yeah. These charts are insane. The same. Exactly the same. ET. I have to wait for a pullback. I don't know anything about this company, but oh yeah, I had a little thing going with this one for a minute because it was cheap. Energy is intriguing. The charts are more intriguing. What else did I say? I looked at earnings. I don't know, 13-week scans weren't that exciting to me other than Halliburton and Schlumberger, maybe Bank of America. Maybe I'll take a little bit of a break. We went through the trades for the week. I need to trade 15 trades. Tomorrow I have to set up my charts and stuff to make sure they're ready to go. Make sure all my data and stuff is ready. I might actually look at TradingView charts. We'll see. If I have to pay for data again, that would be what I would do. Just take a look at them. We looked at highs, we looked at lows, we looked at sector performance. Only thing that kind of stood out as far as the charts were Schlumberger and Halliburton and Bank of America. Maybe I'll come back and do another scan. And take a look at things once my account opens up. It's supposed to open up for futures, so we'll see if that's true. I mean, overall, the market is up. Pull that up now. 1 year. And it's up quite a bit. So I think in some ways you have to kind of be bullish. Anything hitting lows in Excel? Okay, let's just look at that. We'll do that. We'll do one last bonus scan for the crowd here. We'll do edit. We'll go XLK. And we'll do 13-week low search. Intel. I have PLTR, Intel, Unity, Roblox. Yikes. No, these are shortable. Let's look at Intel. That dumpster fire. Huge dumpster. Wow. Full fucking circle on Intel. Wonder what they're gonna do with Intel. Like, this thing cannot even get out of its own way. What a freaking dumpster fire. Can't even short it. So bad you can't even short it, chat. I don't know, I'm not really... The scans aren't getting me inspired, so I might have to take a step back, find something to inspire me, and look at this again, so I can find some trades for the week. And again, I want to remind myself to focus on hour time frames, day time frames, you know, longer time frames for trade entries. I think that's what I want to focus on. You know, even the 15-minute during the day time frame. So I kind of want to do that. That's sort of what I want to focus on in the coming weeks. That's my game plan. I hope you all have a game plan. Remember, this is for educational and informational purposes only. Not intended to be financial advice or any recommendation. Please do your own research, and trading is risky. I think I'm gonna take a little break, and then I'm gonna come back maybe and run some more scans and check on my account once Schwab has taken it over. But thank you for stopping by. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, and follow us at Willsverse so you always know when we go live. Bye bye.